Okay, so we're going to practice using our text to find information to answer a question. So if we're looking on pages 6 and 7, and we just do a flip through of the text, we can look at the graphic features like the title and the subtitles to guess about what the main idea of this story is. So if I look back on page number 6, I'm going to circle the title. And the title of these pages is called Animal Tools for Survival. So just based on the title, I know they're going to tell me what tools animals use so they can live. And if I just look at the subtitles or the subheadings, one of the tools is probably going to be about some animal using their webbed feet, another animal using a tool called their sharp claws, and if I go to the next page, animals that use whiskers as tools so that they can survive, animals who use large beaks to survive. This is another tool, the animal's long tails. So as I read, I'm going to make sure to keep in mind the title of the story, how the animals use these tools to help them survive. Always look at the titles and always look at the subheadings to have a clue about what you have to focus on. So if I think, okay, so my first tool is the webbed feet, I am going to go and annotate how animals use their webbed feet to survive. So I'm going to focus on the webbed feet and how they use it to survive. It says ducks and polar bears are born with webbed feet. They have skin, or webbing, skin or webbing. So I'm thinking skin is webbing stretched between their toes. I'm going to annotate that. I wonder, how do they use that tools? How do they use that extra skin between their toes? This webbing allows the feet to paddle, so they use it to paddle through water with ease. It helps animals save energy too. Webbed feet have helped different animals in different ways. Polar bears use webbed feet to swim faster. Flying frogs use webbed feet to glide through the air. So just looking at that text, I can tell what they use their tools of webbed feet for. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to look and answer the question on slide 5. What details do these paragraphs give you about webbed feet? So you're going to go back into the text and see what they tell us about webbed feet. So I would type in webbed feet is skin between the animal's toes. It helps them to paddle. I'll type it in for you. So I learned that webbed feet are skin between the animal's toes that help them to paddle, save energy. What else up here? It says swim faster and glide through the air. And that's how I answer that question. So I would type this into this box. Then you are going to answer the second question. What details did you learn about sharp claws? You're going to go use the text. Find the subheading sharp claws. You're going to read it to find out information about what sharp claws are and how the animals use it to survive. Okay.